Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. Where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening once you press it is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure after you subscribe that you press that bell, and if you are already subscribed, thank you, but you can always press that bell and then you'll start getting those notifications too. All right, okay, today is a day that I'm going to be sharing with you a new find. I got very lucky. I'm periodically during the day I try to lift up my phone and check my Instagram and start getting into this social media to start seeing what's going on. But the days that I usually go on the most are the days that it is those BoxyCharm choice days and Ipsy choice days, because there's a few girls that I follow that they always send down notifications, and so that I know when the choice is going to happen, because during the day my phone is completely turned off and my computer is pretty much, you know, it's business as usual. So I was scrolling to see the information on the day that it was a BoxyCharm day, and I got an advertisement for somebody that I wasn't following that was from this name called Beauty Brands, and I never heard of them before. And they were doing some ad for something that made me click on it, and I went in, and then on the front page of their website they had these fantastic bundles, these boxes for they're called, they had a few of them. I grabbed two of them. They're $9.98. It reminded me so much of the like ULTA favorites. They used to do these type of kits. I think one of my first videos when I decided to do the channel was one of those kits that I got at ULTA, and I wanted to share with you guys because I got the kit and all these bonus things, and I said, I got to be able to tell everybody about this, and that's pretty much, you know, one of the first videos I think that I ended up doing. So I want to share this with you guys about this company. I went to their website, I looked down all their information, I waited for everything to come in because this is new to me, so it might be something you all know about, but if you don't, I want to make sure that you do know about it. It reminded me, their website, very, very similar to what Ulta Beauty site looks like. I think they have a salon inside like Ulta does, and then they had all these brands, and then these kits were all hair related. So I'm going to read you a little bit of what, you know me, I make my notes and I want to make sure to share with you the information. So if you guys want to go in, and then we'll go through the products and you'll be able to see what I got. These boxes that you're seeing here, the price is right there. I mean, it is $9.98 and it's an over $80 value in this one, and the other one is a $65 value here. And what sold me right away was this Kenya brand, which is a brand that I use and I buy all the time, full size, and it is not an inexpensive brand. So I definitely want to share these kits with you. Okay, so this Beauty Brands I ordered I think on June 10th, and I received the box, oh god, it has to be around the, let's say the 15th. So it was really, really quick. All right, so this, I don't know when this is going to go up because with the boxes and all the stuff that happens, but I just wanted you to know the time frame. I don't think this is an item that is like on sale. I think this is the price. So this says, what I wrote down here was about the company. They're saying Beauty Brands is a salon and a spa superstore. It was developed and founded in 1995 by an advertising company, Bernstein and Rhine. The company headquarters are in Kansas City, Missouri, and the company was purchased in November 2013 by a private California-based company, and they replaced all the people that initially started this company. I signed up for the newsletter, which is what I recommend always when I guys tell you what I do. I signed up for the newsletter first because I knew I was going to purchase this, and that newsletter got me 10% off my order, and the free shipping on this company was $15. So that's why I bought two of these fantastic kits, because they were 10 and 10, It was $15. I took my 10% off that total, and everything was free freight. So this whole thing cost me $17.96. Unbelievable. Okay, they do have a return process. For any reason your purchase from beauty brands does not completely satisfy you, you may return any item to the following address. It's an address in Kansas. They say, please return any unsatisfactory item to us within 60 days with your receipt. And then if you guys want to know more about the return policy, it's all in there. But those were the things that I looked for first, because I wanted to make sure that if I wasn't happy that I can get my money back. But if you know me and my channel, I don't do a lot of returns. Okay, so this here is the first one, and it is called, the one that I'm going to go through first is called Beautiful and Bold. This is what it looks like here. The box came so like this small box here, and I said, wow, how tiny could this be? And then these were the sizes of the boxes here, because on Instagram it's very hard to see sizes. And this says it is a complimentary 6 foil color fashion with any spa and service. They have a $30 thing inside here, but I'm not going to Kansas City, so what's interesting to me is everything that's in the box here. So like I said, I'm gonna pull out, which one did I say I was gonna do first? This is Brands Beautiful and Bold. Okay, so let me just empty everything out on the table from the box. There is a card inside, which makes it even better. There's some tissue paper in here as well. And let's just go through everything that is in the box. So we're gonna go through all that stuff here. Okay, so the what they have on the card here, it says they have a 9-piece discovery box. That's what they call it. This one's called Beautiful and Bold. They're saying it is an $80 value. That's what I'm reading to you guys here. They also have a complimentary 6 foil fashion with spa service. Book your appointment at any beauty brand's location, and so on and so forth. So if you guys live in Missouri, that's something you can ask about there. All right. This here, it says, if you're ready for the full size, visit your local beauty brand's location or the shopbeautybrands.com to find these beautiful favorites and much more. So what's great is the full retail is on here. Ipsy used to do that, and I loved when Ipsy did that, because I always like to know before I fall in love with the product what the full size value is, and this I'll be able to share with you here. So the first item that is in here is from this brand called ABBA. ABBA is a complete all-in-one leave-in spray. The full size of this is $21.99. It's $21.99, and this here is 1.7 fluid ounces is what I got in the box. They're saying it will strengthen your hair to reduce breakage, which will enhance thermal protection and detangling. The next item in here is from Biolage, and Biolage, that's what it looks like here. And this item here, it looks like there's 2 of them. There is a Color Last conditioner and a shampoo. So you got both. These are also 1.7 fluid ounces. These are fantastic sizes. And the shampoo is $17.99, and so is the conditioner. And they're saying it is called the Color Last, and it's saying it gently cleanses your hair while helping you maintain the depth and tone of your beautiful salon color. And the conditioner, it says the same thing. It will keep your salon color vibrant and alive with a paraben-free conditioner that leaves your hair shiny and tangle-free. So I love when we get these type of kits. All right, the next item in here is from BioSilk. Let me see if I can find stuff. Okay, is this little guy here. And this one here is a leave-in treatment for your hair and your skin. And this one says it's made in the USA, and it's really, really small. The amount of ounces, I think it might be 0.05. So let's see what they wrote here. This one says it is silky therapy with organic coconut oil leave-in. The full size of this is $16.99. It offers superior moisture, replenishes while it fortifies your weak strands. The next item I have, and I enjoy, it is from number 10. It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. This is the full size of this is $18.99. This one is I think it's just under an ounce. It's just amazing. So this here, the full size of this is $18.99. It repairs, it's called the Miracle Leave-In product. It repairs dry, damaged hair, prevents split ends, and protects your hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and silky. The next item is one that I do enjoy. It is from this brand called Kenra. It is their Volume Spray Super Hold Finishing Spray number 25. I should be putting that in because I didn't do anything today. This is, the full size of this can is $17.99. This one here is 1.5 fluid ounces. And this is a flake-free, fast-drying formula. It can make any style last all day with maximum hold. And I can tell you it does that. The next item here is a Moroccan oil. And if you haven't had the opportunity to try this, it is really great too. And these sizes are fantastic to travel with. These are great for your cuticles. It's great for your hair. It's amazing. This is the Moroccan oil treatment. The full size of this is $44. It is a completely transformation treatment that leaves your hair healthy, shiny, and manageable. And then the next item in here is from Wella Pure. That's this foil pack here, and they're saying you would receive either the Style Gel, that's $19.49, or their Beauty Balm Lotion, which is $19.49. This one says Perfect Me is a lightweight beauty balm lotion, so that's great. And the last item in here is also a foil pack, and that is from Pureology, and that is $29.49 for the shampoo, and the conditioner is $31.49. So I got all of this for the $9.98. All right, that's the first one. Let's put them over here. And now let's open up our second box. This one is called Soak and Style. And this one says it has a $65 value. And it also has a card. So makes it so much easier. And then in the back here, it has all the information and all the ingredients on the back as well. And this is a 9-piece discovery box. Beauty Brands is the name of the website. And this is, like I said, called Soak and Style. And those are the products we're going to be going through right now. All right, the first one here is from Omika, another great brand. This is the pack that is in here. And this one says it is the Soulful Nourishing Mask. The full size, looks like it comes in a jar, is $28. They're saying it is gratify your hair with rich, high protein nourishments and hydrates and softens. The next item in here is from Biolage, and it looks like it is also a shampoo and a conditioner. This is amazing. And these are 1.7 fluid ounces. And what they wrote on the card for this, the shampoo is $17.99. It's called Hydra Source Shampoo. It is inspired by nature's aloe plant to protect dryness and leave in against dryness and leave. It's very hard to read here. Sorry, guys. Dryness and leaves your hair feeling soft and manageable. The conditioner will bring super dry hair back to life with this intense treatment that instantly renews and moisturizes. The next item, they said you'll receive an either or. It is either the CHI, which is the name brand of my Chi, it's called. It's my straightener. It is the tea tree serum for $19.99, or you will get the Diva Curl Melt in Moisture Mask. And I think I got the Diva Curl. That's what this guy is here. And that one is a 1.5. It says 100% sulfate, paraben, silicone free. They're saying it is melt into moisture. It says it's a matcha butter conditioning mask. That's what that item is here. The next item is another Kenra product, and I'm really excited. It is, again, the hairspray, and this one is their spray number 25, which is the same as the other one, and it's $17.99. And we already read what that one will do. And then the next item in here is from KMS, another hairspray. This is called Working Hairspray, and this is a fast drying one. And this is a $22.99 value. This sample size is, oh, where are your measurements here? I can't see. Oh. It just has the net weight on here is 2.0 ounces, so that's probably what it is. And then here it says it is the Hairspray Working Hairspray, $22.99. Play and change your mind, easy to brush and rework any shape. Then they have the Macadamian Nourishing Repair Mask. The full size of this is in a jar. It is $35.99, and it will improve your hair health, shine, and elasticity with a color-safe, cruelty-free hair mask. Then the next item is from, oh, where are you? Here, it's ULTA. It is an ultra nourishing cleansing oil. It says replenish your natural oils without greasiness, and it looks like they won an award in 2019 from Glamour. That's what that looks like here. And what it says here is the ultra nourishing cleansing oil. The full size of this is $25.99. It will remove dirt and build up while strengthening and repairing your curls while providing body and shine. And then the last item in here is from Verb. It's a hydrating mask. The full size of this is $16. And it says it is rich, restorative, deep conditioning treatment designed to nourish all hair types. And this here looks like it is probably just over an ounce, like 0.67. Really, really excited. So I think we did great. So that's everything that is in this box. And this is everything that's in this box. So up close and pictured, the first one that we went through is called Beautiful and Bold. And then this one is called Soak and Style. So I think they're both winners. Like I said, make sure to sign up for the newsletter first so you can get 10% off. Check out the website. It blew me away. I love that the freight was $15 for free freight. So to me, even if I just needed a hairspray, I wouldn't have to like build up to $50 to get free freight on a lot of the other sites that I was shopping for this type of stuff. So this discovery box was a find, and finding out about this company called Beauty Brands was another absolute find. I will try to leave everything down below so you guys will know more about it, but wanted to share that with you guys. As you know, on my channel, as I find something new that's new to me, I like sharing that with you guys. If any of you are familiar with this Beauty Brands, please leave in your comments down below. If you live in Missouri and this is a place that you shop, I would love to know more information that you can share within our own community, which is in our comments down below. And if you're not in Missouri and you've bought from their website before, if you had this fantastic experience like I have, I placed an order, the newsletter came down right away. I was able to use that 10% on my first order, and the next thing I know, 5 days later, it was here, beautifully boxed. Everything came in perfect condition. So wanted to share that with you guys. If you're enjoying my content, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's found right underneath this video. That thumbs up is really important on the YouTube platform, because what ends up happening is YouTube then will help channels like mine go in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet or see my channel, but they like this type of content. So those thumbs up are really important. If you could do that for me, I really do appreciate it. And also, please share in the comments down below. That's my lifeline to you guys. So thank you so much for doing that for me. Once again, I want to thank everybody. I appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. It means a lot. As well as I want to make sure to always say to you guys to continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye for now.